Seems like a desert inside of me. But then I realize where I gotta go, and I will pay the price to get to know that the rain can't push me back from running, searching, that my pain is losing track. I'm rising, reaching.